How to delete all games on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. From here, press and hold the app you want to delete and select Remove App from the options. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm. Alternatively, open up the Settings application. Then, go to General. On this page, go to iPhone Storage. From here, scroll down to see all your apps and how much space they're taking up. Tap on the game you want to delete. Here, tap on Delete App below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You can repeat this to delete the other games as well. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily delete all games on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.